Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel, guys. If you have any of the following three vehicles, guys, Chrysler 200, Fiat 500 or Dodge Ram Promaster, guys, with a 2.4 Multiair engine, guys, and you're trying to figure out, okay, how complicated it's to replace the timing chain on that engine, stay with us and we'll explain what needs to be done. But if you want to see the video from start to finish, from the very beginning to the very end, guys, we'll have it on the channel. It does take a lot of work and a lot of time, but it's not as complicated as some other engines, guys. So check it out if you need to. This today is just a quick video to summarize what needs to be done if any of you is about to tackle the job, guys. So, as you can see, the engine is out of the car. You do not need to remove your engine in order to remove or replace your chain, guys. Why we got the engine out? Because we are planning on making at least 100 videos on that engine, guys, and we want to show with a great detail how to do everything. If it's in the car, it's practically impossible, guys. So we put all that work so we can save you guys as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Let's explain now what needs to be done, okay, to replace that timing chain. So first, guys, you will need to remove, okay, your valve cover. This is, guys, your valve cover. That needs to come out. Then you need to remove timing cover, but before you remove the timing cover, you need to remove your serpentine belt. You need to remove the tensioner pulley right here, idle pulley for the serpentine belt, water pump pulley, and then you can remove your timing cover. Once you guys remove the timing cover, you can come to the chain. Okay, this is your chain. And now we have double chain, not single. The first one is from the crankshaft to the camshaft. This is the main chain. This is the one that's more important and gets wore out more because it has more tension on it, more moving pressure. And the other one, the second chain, is from the crankshaft to the oil pump and the balance shaft. This one doesn't get wore out so often, but our guys definitely recommend to replace the tensioner too on this one. So if you go, guys, go the long route, replace everything since you already took everything apart. Now, in order, guys, to remove the outside chain, okay, right here, now you can do it practically. But if you guys need to remove and replace both chains, and that's what I would recommend, from that point on, you will, guys, need to remove your oil pan. And in the oil pan, then you will need to remove that cover. It has 3 bolts, and you will be able, guys, okay, to get to the other chain too, and you will be ready to go. So probably if you haven't done the work yourself before, it will take you a few hours to do it, but it's doable, guys. It's doable, and definitely peace of mind that you have a good chain and tensioner, because the tensioners are weak spots on those modern engines. It's hydraulic tensioner, and sometimes, guys, they do fail, unfortunately, because they're not built like super heavy duty ones, but some of them last really long time. Some we've seen that fail at about 100 to 130,000 miles. Some last 150, 160. Others, guys, we've seen over 200,000 miles. So you never know, but depending on how much you want to push your luck. So hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.